The third and final category of group development theories is non-sequential models. They try to explain the factors that facilitate the process, as opposed to its stages or cycles. Gersick's punctuated equilibrium model from 1998 is just one example. It's based on the development of naturally occurring groups. It says groups develop gradually over time, with periods of slow growth, punctuated by periods of rapid change. The group's first meeting establishes a framework for how members will work together. They internalize this framework, and their common assumptions allow them to immediately begin working as a group, as opposed to forming, storming, and norming, as suggested by Tuckman's model. Despite their readiness to work, members don't usually accomplish much during this time. Next, some factor or event triggers a sudden period of change and growth. Examples might include the loss of a leader, a change to the task, or a reduction in resources, like time or human capital. At this point, members have to find new ways of working together and adjust their frameworks and behaviors. Their performance may temporarily suffer throughout this transitional period. Then, the group enjoys a final burst of momentum and improves its performance before returning to a period of inertia where their performance, once again, flatlines.